Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to learn about tenses. So, first of all, we'll understand that what is the meaning of tenses. Tenses are the form taken by a verb to show the time of an action or the state of an event. There are three tenses: the present tense, the past tense, the future tense. Each of the three tenses has four forms or subdivisions to show continuity or completeness of the action and time. These are indefinite, continuous or imperfect, perfect, and the last is perfect continuous. This is the table of English tenses. So, we'll read all the three tenses and their forms. So, first is present, past and future. Present indefinite, which we call it simple present also. So, present indefinite, we always put S with the verb. Present continuous is am, are plus ing form of the verb. Present perfect has have plus third form of the verb. Present perfect continuous has have been plus ing form of the verb. Second is past indefinite. Past indefinite, subject plus second form of the verb. Past continuous, was, were plus ing form of the verb. Past perfect, had plus played. Past perfect continuous, had been plus ing form of the verb. Future indefinite, or we call it simple future, will, shall plus first form of the verb. Future continuous, will, shall, be plus ing form of the verb. Future perfect, will, shall, have plus third form of the verb. Future perfect continuous, will, shall, have been plus ing form of the verb. The indefinite tense, or we call it simple tense, does not indicate whether the action is complete or not. The continuous tense, that the action is still going on. The perfect tense indicates that the action is complete, finished or perfect. The perfect continuous tense indicates that the action began in the past and it's still continuing. So, first is simple present tense. The verb form is subject plus first form of the verb plus object. Expresses a general truth or an action that is occurring now. For example, the sun rises from the east. Expresses an action that occurs regularly or habitually. For example, she goes to the school regularly. Now, affirmative sentences of simple present, they play. The negative sentences, they do not play. Interrogative sentences, do they play? Negative interrogative sentences, do they not play? Second is present continuous tense, in which we have subject plus ismr plus first form of the verb and ing plus object. The present continuous tense is used to express an action which is happening at a particular time in the present or extended over a period of present time. Affirmative sentences related to present continuous is you are playing. Negative sentences, you are not playing. Interrogative sentences, are you playing? Negative interrogative sentences, are you not playing? Present perfect tense. Subject plus has have plus third form of the verb plus object. The present perfect tense denotes an action that was started in the past and has just been completed. Affirmative sentences, I have played. Negative, I have not played. Interrogative, have I played? Negative interrogative, have I not played? Present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has have plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. The present perfect tense is used when an action that started in the past is still continuing. Affirmative, we have been playing. Negative, we have not been playing. Interrogative, have we been playing? Negative, have we not been playing? Simple past tense, subject plus second form of the verb plus object. The simple past tense is used for an action which happened at a particular time in the past. Affirmative sentence, I played. Negative, I do not play. Interrogative, did I play? Negative interrogative, did I not played? Past continuous tense, subject plus was were plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. The past continuous tense is used for an action which was happening at a particular time in the past. Affirmative, boys were playing. Negative, boys were not playing. Interrogative, were boys playing? Negative interrogative, were boys not playing? Past perfect tense, subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. The past perfect tense is used to express an action that was completed before another action started in the past. It is used with the earlier of the two actions. The simple past tense is used with the other action. Affirmative, Sheila had played. Negative, Sheila had not played. Interrogative, had Sheila played? Negative interrogative, had Sheila not played? Past perfect continuous tense in which we have subject plus had been plus first form of the verb plus object. The past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that point. Affirmative, Rita had been playing. Negative, Rita had not been playing. Interrogative, had Ria been playing? Negative interrogative, had Ria not been playing? Now simple future tense in which we have subject plus will shall plus first form of the verb plus object. The simple future tense is used for an action that will take place at particular time in the future. Affirmative, Ravi will play. Negative, Ravi will not play. Interrogative, will Ravi play? Negative. Interrogative, will Ravi not play? Future continuous tense in which we have subject plus will shall plus be plus ing form of the verb. The future continuous tense is used to express an action which will be in progress at a particular time in the future. Affirmative, I will be playing. Negative, I will not be playing. Interrogative, shall I be playing? Negative interrogative, shall I not be playing? Future perfect tense, subject plus shall, will, have plus third form of the verb plus object. Future perfect tense is used to indicate the completion of an action by a certain period of time in the future. Affirmative, she will have played. Negative, she will not have played. Interrogative, will she have played? Negative, will she not have played? Future perfect continuous, subject plus shall, will plus have been plus ing form of the verb plus object. The future perfect tense is used when an action is to continue up to a certain point of time in the future. Affirmation, Raj will have been playing. Negative, Raj will not have been playing. Interrogative, will Raj have been playing? Negative interrogative, will Raj not have been playing? I hope you all understood the tenses nicely. Keep on practicing. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.